This is the most beautiful shade of blue. It's a real bright, turquoisey, cheerful blue. It is of course Michael Kors, and it's a Jet Set Traveller. Comes with Michael Kors dust bag. It is a top handle or it is a shoulder bag. I'm a UK size 8, about 5'4". It's got Michael Kors on the front there, and it also has it, this one's ready to show you, on the edge of the holds there. And of course you've got the Michael Kors tag on the front. On the website we've called this very good condition. Hardware, exterior, interior, very good. Nothing actually wrong with it, there's just signs of wear and tear. I think more it's been a storage issue. I don't think it's hardly been used at all. The bottom corners are all in incredibly good condition. So there's no signs of wear in those corners, but you can see it's not been stored very well. So if you buy this, I think you just need to stuff it so that it is kept properly stored, and these creases, well they aren't really creases, it's just where it's naturally falling because it hasn't been stored properly. So that is easily remedied, but as a result we've called it very good condition. Okay, so inside there are 3 main compartments: the front, the back and the middle one. So the middle one is a zipped top compartment and it's padded, so that is where you could put your laptop or your tablet. The back compartment has got 1 zipped pocket, 2 flat pockets and the key fob. And then on the front pocket, or the front section, you've got 2 flat pockets and quite a roomy pouch pocket. Perhaps if I do that zip up, it might be easier for you to get an idea of what it's like inside. So you've got 3 sections: the back section, the front section with the big pouch pockets, and then your zipped padded section as well. Down below there is a link to this on our website, to this direct bag, but also you'll find other pre-owned gorgeousness that we've got selling on the website. If you subscribe to the newsletter on the website, we will send you immediately a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. Also down below there's a link to follow us on Instagram where you will get daily updates on what's coming in.